To a primetime news follow-up now. Residents in Portland are upping arms about the closure of fast food restaurant outlet KFC. The closure followed a viral video which featured a rat inside the restaurant.
There's uncertainty about the reopening of KFC in Port Antonio, Portland, which gained notoriety 2 weeks ago after a rat went loose in the establishment. If you go to the location, this is the sign you will see. It reads, quote, "This restaurant is closed due to circumstances beyond our control," unquote. The line which speaks to the approximate reopening date remains blank. We sought further details from Restaurants of Jamaica, operators of the fast food chain, but our calls went unanswered. At the Portland Municipal Corporation meeting Thursday, Chief Health Inspector for the parish, Lorenzo Hugh, addressed the issue.
We had carried out our investigation and was satisfied that the food and establishment did not have any serious issue that risks public health as far as we are concerned, and therefore the entity remained open after inspection and verification as to the cause of the rodent entering the facility. We are comfortable at this time that the particular entity is, as far as we are concerned from public health, is in a state that it can serve food to the general public.
The restaurant's closure is of concern to residents, most of whom we spoke with on the streets of Port Antonio did not view the presence of the rat as a big deal.
Rat there everywhere now, so that they don't feel lucky down now. So me get to eat. Rat down my yard. Rat, you see rat around all about. So because of that, the people that sanitize them place is good. Me approve say yes it's good and me can eat them, I want to eat them back.
Because KFC close down hospital, can close down because hospital is the biggest health place and the fattest rat them you can find in Portland now for hospital then there.
There are many more restaurants around Port Antonio that we don't see any video or anything about, which is more contaminated more than KFC.
In a statement following the incident last month, Restaurants of Jamaica described the incident as highly unusual, unfortunate and isolated, and that it was not an indicator of the usual high standards and procedures held throughout the group.